He likes your truck.
Thank you.
The motor's running.
That's the Prius.
The one next to it. Oh.
That's the kind of truck you could kill somebody with. You know what I mean?
I had the truck and it's great, but it's a big
Yeah.
commitment.
I know. It's like a whole relationship.
it's like my little look.
I know, but what do you pull a boat with that?
No, this is made for one thing.
Killing people?
It's not even good to pull things with. This is a racing truck.
Are you kidding me?
It's a racing truck. This has nothing to do. See all these things here?
Yeah.
This is meant to go over the deserts and gullies,
Oh, really?
mountains at 150 miles. These things
Are you serious?
Oh no. Look at it.
Yeah, but I thought, remember the Range Rovers and the Jeeps, they would do those.
That's slow. This is for speed.
I didn't know that. I know nothing about cars.
There's a plate underneath there. That literally is like a tank. So when it hits,
It just jumps up.
like a boat. Yeah, look at that.
That's cool.
Yeah.
They call that the Cole Haan plate.
The coal. Look at his shoes.
Nice, nice. Those are
Wow,
nice.
Finally.